Hey guys, so today we have some stencils. As you can see, there are a lot of stencils. And each one is individual design, as you can see. And the purpose of these is actually you can make your own card. Let's say someone's sick, you have a wedding coming up, or you want to make your own quince cards. You can actually use these to have decorations in the background, and they just look really nice. And you can use markers, crayons, color pencils, anything that can actually print on a paper. It's actually really good. Doesn't even need to be used for paper. You can use it on a sidewalk. Let's say you want to decorate somewhere, the wall, you can use anything. And the best part about these is that if you get residue on them, let's say you have markers and they get a little bit of stain on here, you can actually wash it off with a wipey or water. And they come out brand new, clean, as you can see. Let me show you an example. I made this with markers, and some of them did get like a residue on them, but then I just washed it with the wiping and it was completely back to normal. So here you can see that I used some designs all around. I used different colors, and it's just a really nice paper and design. Anything there's multiple to choose from, not the ones I just have. You can make a nice background in the card area. Once you're finished with your card, as you can see, it has a little bit of residue, so all you have to do is just wipe it. You can wash it. I have a wipey here, and let's just clean it. In like seconds, it's brand new. No marker stain at all. See how it's all red came off? Comes off automatically. And I used markers, so this is actually pretty good. Simply just wipe it, and it's brand new. Like, you never put marker or paint on it. Pretty useful. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.